What is up, guys? It's been a minute since we vlogged. Tyler's not gonna be with us this weekend, so I'm gonna be doing this solo. We're gonna go drifting at Irwindale this weekend. It's a little like ride-along thing. I believe it's for Nissfest. They're collabing with Hot Pit. So we're gonna go give some ride-alongs. We'll have some fun. See if some friends and family might come out, and honestly, just go hang out with some fans. It's been a while since I've driven a 370, so it'll be fun. I'm looking forward to it. I think they're actually opening up the big bank. I don't know if this thing can really hit it. It's kind of too slow. We're gonna hit it in third with some nitrous. See if we can spin the tires. If not, we're gonna go have fun anyways. It's been a great, you know, just getting a lot of seat time in the black car. So yeah, it's good to drive the red car again. We'll see you guys out there. We made it. A little monster for this morning because tired. It's gonna be a long day. Looks like it's gonna be hot. But there's a couple drivers out here already. Everyone's getting set up. Got our boy Rome over here. Got the red car out here today. It's kind of practice, ride along stuff. I don't know if they're gonna be hitting the big bank or what's kind of going on, but we'll see. We'll go have some fun. And yeah, we gotta swap out these wheels, these 3-piece wheels. They seem to not be too happy with this thing. Last time we were drifting on these, clutch kicked and broke both axles, so I don't want to break any axles today. I brought spares in case we do, but we're gonna change out to the lighter, you know, ambit wheels. I believe the difference is something like these weigh like 50 pounds and those ambit wheels weigh like 19. So the unsprung weight makes a pretty big difference out here, especially with the 370 because it doesn't make much power. So we're gonna try those wheels and see if it makes a little bit of a difference. You know, just keep the wheel speed up, less clutch kicks, and hopefully no broken axles. So yeah, let's start getting ready and see what we can go do out there. Okay, well, that was an ordeal. We're zooming out here. Yeah, we've been locked out of the truck for the last 2 hours thanks to Devin, my cousin. Shout out to him. We just got everything loaded up, waiting for the tow truck to get here, break into the truck for us. All in all, it was a great day. Had a lot of fun driving with everyone. This car's slow. We've always known that. It always kind of makes me wish I brought the black car, but at the same time, the black car is expensive to drive. So, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. All in all, great day, fun with friends. And yeah, hopefully we'll be back here next week for Formula Drift. We'll be helping out Ryan Literal, and Tyler will be spotting for him. We'll be, you know, helping out and doing anything we can. So Shout out to all these guys here, you know, making this event happen over here, working his ass off. Thank you, bro. He's honestly sweating his ass off every time here in the sun, dude. Making sure all these drivers get on track, everyone's safe, no one's spinning out, and it's just not a shit show. So honestly, thanks to these dudes, man. But it's been a good event. Thanks for watching.